In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create a website wireframe using Miro, a powerful online collaboration and design tool. To begin, open your web browser and go to Miro.com. Once you sign in, you'll be directed to your Miro dashboard, which serves as your main creative workspace. From here, choose the board you want to work on. Your existing boards will appear right on the screen. After opening your board, you'll notice a toolbar on the left-hand side. Click on the plus icon, where you'll find all the available tools and features. Scroll down and select Templates to open Miro's built-in template library. In the search bar, type Website Wireframe, and Miro will show you a variety of pre-designed wireframe templates with different layouts and styles. Pick the template that best suits your project and click Use Template. The chosen wireframe will instantly appear on your board, ready for customization. You can zoom in or out to adjust your view, move or resize different elements, and add new components like text boxes, shapes, or buttons to fine-tune your layout. You can also modify colors, fonts, and alignment to better match your design vision. And that's it. That's how you can easily build a website wireframe in Miro. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.